there we have it. Just as a reminder, if you didn't realize already from watching the video, I apologize for my trash flare form. I haven't flared in like months, and I'm still recovering from like a wrist injury and a hip injury, and flare transitions by themselves are hard. So anyways, these are just creative ideas for you to flip and change. Don't worry so much about the form, just play with the ideas, okay? If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and smash the button for more videos. I can't breathe.
Love is love. Love is love.